Hi, I'm Jay Earley, founder of Project 10K Wealth System, and my mission is simple: helping everyday people build extraordinary financial futures. You know, 30 plus years in the financial industry taught me one thing. Most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They struggle because no one ever taught them how money actually works. Schools teach us how to earn a paycheck, but not how to manage it, grow it, or keep it. The right knowledge changes everything, though. My mission is to give you that knowledge. Knowledge creates options, and options creates freedom. The problem, we were never taught. So we go to school, we work hard, we earn a paycheck, but no one ever taught us how to build real financial success. This requires manage money wisely, build strong credit, create multiple streams of income, build lasting wealth, plan for our future, and leave a financial legacy. This is what the average working man wants. He wants to leave his family in good financial standing, which we call a legacy. Financial freedom doesn't come from working more hours. It comes from knowledge, strategy, and action. So it's time to change that. It starts with the right education and, of course, the right support. So why I created Project 10K? I created Project 10K Wealth System to be the place that I wish I had when I was starting out. Practical education that makes sense for real life, a supportive community that grows together, and that's because we're all in the same, well, I like to say we're all in the same boat together, you know. Proven strategies that create real results, and opportunities to build income, freedom, and a better future. Again, our mission: helping everyday people build extraordinary financial futures. And here's what you'll find inside Project 10K. Project 10K Wealth System is a complete self-by-step system designed to help you improve your finances and build a better future. It starts out with financial education. Learn how money works and build strong financial foundations. And then credit improvement, step-by-step guidance to building better credit and more options. This alone will open many doors to you. Income strategies. Discover multiple ways to increase your cash flow and create freedom. Success mindset. Develop the habits, discipline, and competence to reach your goals. And then, of course, community and coaching. Get support, accountability, and coaching every step of the way. Focus, plan, execute. So you don't have to figure it out alone. Just keep in mind, we're in this together. So welcome to Project 10K Wealth System. This is more than a community. It's a movement. We learn, we grow, should be together. We build better finances, we create opportunities, we support each other, we build legacies. Your past doesn't determine your future. Your next decision does. So now you're at a moment where you have to make a decision as to whether you want to be a part of our community. Okay? Because again, it's free to join. You just have to participate. So let's build your future together. I'll look to see you on the inside.